COVID-19 pandemic has been a defining time for many people and nations around the world. But it is not new. Throughout world history, a variety of viruses and bacteria have infected the human population, reaching catastrophic levels within only a short span of time. Each of these diseases has proven disastrous in terms of both infection and mortality rates. Here are 10 of the worst pandemics ever. Cholera pandemic of 1899. Estimated death toll 8 lakhs. Origin India. From 1899 to 1923. The cholera pandemic of 1899 was a major outbreak of cholera that originated in India in the late 19th century. Cholera is an infectious disease that is believed to originate in contaminated water supplies, rapidly spreading throughout the world within a matter of years. The pandemic soon reached the Middle East, Africa, Eastern Europe, Russia as well as Western Europe and the United States by 1910. Flu pandemic of 1968. Estimated death toll 1 million. Origin British Hong Kong. From 1968. The flu pandemic of 1968 was first recognized on 13 July 1968 in British Hong Kong. The disease was believed to have been caused by an H3N2 strain of the influenza A virus. Within weeks of the outbreak, numerous cases began springing up in Vietnam, Singapore, India and the Philippines. With little resources to control its spread, the virus quickly entered Australia, Europe and the United States by the end of the year. Russian flu. Estimated death toll 1 million. Origin St. Petersburg, Russia. Date 1889 to 1890. The flu pandemic of 1889, also known as the Russian flu, was a deadly pandemic caused by a subtype of the influenza A strain known as H3N8. First reported in St. Petersburg, Russia on 1st December 1899. Due to the large number of railroad networks and an increase in transatlantic travel at this time, the virus even managed to spread all the way to the United States by 12th January 1890. In less than 4 months, the outbreak reached pandemic levels as all major countries of the world began to report a substantial number of cases. Cholera pandemic of 1852. Estimated death toll 1 to 2 million. Origin India. From 1852 to 1860. The cholera pandemic of 1852, also referred to as Third Cholera Pandemic, was a major outbreak that originated in India during the mid-1800s. Considered one of the worst pandemics of the 19th century, the disease quickly spread beyond India borders to infect large swathes of Asia, Africa, Europe and eventually North America. By 1854, the disease reached unprecedented heights worldwide, becoming the worst year of the pandemic's death cycle. Asian flu. Estimated death toll 1 to 4 million. Origin Yuzhou, China. From 1957 to 1958. The Asian flu of 1957 was a major outbreak that originated in China during the early months of 1957. The outbreak was the second influenza pandemic to occur during the 1900s and was believed to have been a subtype of influenza A known as H2N2. Shortly after discovering the new strain in 1957, doctors were unable to control the disease in its early stages. As a result, the virus quickly spread beyond China's border into surrounding regions. Within months, the Asian flu reached pandemic status as much of the northern hemisphere, including Europe and North America, fell victim to its spread. Antonian plague. Estimated death toll 5 million. Origin unknown. From 165 to 180 AD. The Antonian plague of 165 AD, also known as Plague of Galen, was an ancient pandemic that affected the Roman Empire between 165 and 180 AD. Believed to be have brought back to the Roman empires by the troops who were returning from the military campaigns in East Asia at the time. The disease quickly spread throughout Europe and Mediterranean, claiming countless lives in its wake. Fever, diarrhea and pharyngitis, inflammation of the throat were common amongst the disease victims with skin eruptions. Plague of Justinian. Estimated death toll 25 million. Origin Central Asia. From 541 to 542 AD. The plague of Justinian referred to a pandemic that affected the Eastern Roman Empire around the year 541 AD. Believed to have originated in Central Asia, it is hypothesized that nomadic tribes from the region may have contributed to the disease's spread into the Byzantine Empire and Mediterranean. Although the plague subsided after a year, the disease returned periodically for the next few centuries, leaving massive fatalities in its wake. Spanish flu. Estimated death toll 25 to 50 million. Origin unknown. From 1918 to 1919. The Spanish flu of 1918 refers to a severe influenza pandemic that spread worldwide between 1918 and 1919, believed to have been caused by a H1N1 virus with genes of avian origin. The disease was first identified by military personnel in United States during the spring of 1918, before it began to spread out of control only a few weeks later. Due to massive mobilization effort of the First World War that was occurring at this time, the virus was afforded a unique opportunity to spread worldwide with relative ease via soldiers, sailors, and a large array of civilian contractors. Nearly a third of the world's population had been infected by the virus with an estimated 500 million cases. Till this day, the Spanish flu is considered one of the deadliest pandemics to have arose in the human history. HIV. Estimated death toll 32 million. Origin Central Africa. From 1981 till present. The human immunodeficiency virus HIV refers to a viral infection that suppresses the body immune system and prevents it from fighting off infections. First identified in 1981, the virus quickly progressed to pandemic levels as its spread has proven impossible to halt worldwide. The Black Death. Estimated death toll 200 million. Origin Central Asia. From 1346 to 1353. The Black Death was a devastating pandemic that ravaged Eurasia between 1346 and 1353. Believed to have originated from a bacterium known as Yersinia pestis. The disease likely originated in Central Asia and reached Europe via the Silk Road as early as 1343, caused by rats and fleas. The Black Death quickly spread throughout the Europe as overcrowding, poor hygiene and inadequate sanitation provided the disease an avenue to infect large group of humans with ease. In its wake, the plague profoundly changed the course of European history, leading to a variety of social, economic and religious upheavals in the years and decades that followed. As human civilizations flourished, so did infectious disease. Throughout the course of history, diseases outbreak have ravaged humanity, sometimes changing the course of history and at times signaling the end of entire civilization. So stay home, stay safe, wash your hands and wear your mask to stop the spread of this pandemic. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Until then, bye.